C. Standard 10th Maths, Chapter 8, Statistics and Probability. 1 mark questions, exercise 8.5. First question, which of the following is not a measures of dispersion? Not range, standard deviation, arithmetic mean, variance. See, range, standard deviation, variance are all in measures of dispersion. But in this arithmetic mean comes in the measures of central tendency. Arithmetic mean, then median, mode comes in the measures of central tendency. It is not in the dispersion. So option C. Next question, the range of the data. See, all the data are equal, 8, 8, 8. Actually, range is equal to largest value minus the smallest value. Here the largest value is 8 and also the smallest value also 8. 8 minus 8 equal to 0. So option A. Here option A. Third question, the sum of all deviations of the data from its mean. Always positive, always negative, 0, non-zero integers. See, when we do the standard deviation, the deviation column we find x minus x bar. That is the terms deviated from the mean. That is deviation. If you find the summation of deviation, you will get the answer is 0. Sigma d is equal to 0. Option C. Next is, the mean of 100 observations is 40 and their standard deviation is 3. The sum of squares of all observation. The mean of 100 observations, that is n is equal to 100. Mean is 40. Standard deviation SD, that is sigma, is equal to 3. Question is the sum of squares of all observations. That is number of terms 100. The square of these observations, sigma squared, is question mark. So where do you get the sigma squared term? In the standard deviation formula, we will get sigma is equal to square root of sigma x squared by n minus sigma x by n the whole square. The square root sign, I square on both sides, you will get sigma squared. So substitute the corresponding value. We know n 100 and sigma x, this is x bar, this whole is x bar, 40 square. X bar stands for sigma x by n. X bar is equal to sigma x by n. So just we replace this as 40. Sigma here, this is 3 square. 3 square, sigma x squared, we don't know, we have to find n is 100 minus x bar is 40 square. So 40 square is 1600. So 9, bring this 40 square, 1600 plus this is equal to sigma x squared by 100. Let me bring this 100 here. So this is 1609 into 100. So you will get 1609 into 100, 2 zeros we added. Option B. Option B. Next is variance of first 20 natural numbers is. First 20 natural numbers, we know the standard deviation sigma is square root of n square minus 1 by 12. So in order to remove the square root, just we write sigma squared. Sigma squared. So sigma square, sigma, we need to find sigma squared. So 20 square, number of terms is 20 by n by 12. So 20 squared is 400 minus 1 is 399 by 12. So if you divide here, it goes 36, 3 carry over again 3.25. 33 point, the variance, sigma squared is variance, 33.25. Option C. 3.25. See next question. The standard deviation of a data is 3 if each value is multiplied by 5, the new variance. See, standard deviation sigma is equal to 3. So each value is multiplied by 5 means, see, in the standard deviation one of the rule is if any of the constant is added to the given data, the standard deviation will not be changed. But if you multiply or divide with the data by any constant with the data, the standard deviation also will be multiplied or divided by the same constant. Here the data's given values are multiplied by 5. Therefore, the new standard deviation also multiplied by the same constant. 3 5s are 15. Seventh sum. If the standard deviation of x, y, z is p, then the standard deviation of 3x plus 5, 3y plus 5, 3z plus 5 is. See, the standard deviation of the datas are given 3x, y, z, all these are datas. For these datas, the standard deviation is p. But here the datas are multiplied by the constant 3 and added with the constant 5. So, the standard deviation of x, y, z is p. So, this each data is multiplied by the constant 3. So, the standard deviation is also multiplied by the same constant 3p. But we add the 5 with this data. So 3x plus 5, 3y plus 5, 3z plus 5. But in this case, if we add any constant with the given data, the standard deviation will not be changed. So just it is p. Just the value, standard deviation is 3p. So the option B. Option B. If the mean and coefficient of variation of data are 4 and 87.5, then the standard deviation. See, mean x bar, coefficient of variation CV. Mean is 4, coefficient of variation is in percentage 87.5 percentage they given. Find the standard deviation sigma. So what is the formula? Coefficient of variation is sigma by x bar into 100 percentage. So substitute the values here. We need to find sigma. So CV 87.5 equal to sigma by 4 into 100. So this 4 here it goes 25 times. So sigma is equal to 87.5. Bring down this 25 here. It is in multiplication. Take it to the left side. You will get 25. So it goes here 3 times 75. Then 12.5 times. 3.5. Answer is option A. 3.5. Which of the following is incorrect? P of A greater than 1. P of A lies between 0 and 1. Less than or equal to 0. Less than or equal to 1. P of y is equal to 0. P of A plus P of A bar equal to 1. See, we know that the probability of any event is always lies between 0 and 1. It is 0 for the impossible event, 1 for sure event. For the other event, it lies less than 1. But positive value greater than 0. So this is correct. P of impossible event value is 0. And then the probability of an event and its complement is always equal to 1. So the question incorrect. Incorrect is P of A greater than 1 is incorrect one. The probability of a red marble selected at random from a jar containing P red, Q blue and R green marbles. So in the N of S, the number of marbles are P plus Q plus R. But here we have to find the probability of choosing the red marbles. How many red marbles are here? P. So P of A, getting red marbles, let me take. So N of A by N of S. So how many red marbles? P by N of S is P plus Q plus R. It is option B. Option B. Next is, a page is selected at random from a book. The probability that the digit at units place of the page number chosen is less than 7. See, the page number on the book it may be start from 1, 2, 3, and then if it is a 2-digit number, it may be 10 also, 10, 20. So it may, unit digit may be 0 also, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many elements are here? N of S is equal to 10. But here I have to choose the number that is less than 7. Less than 7 means from 0 to 6. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's all, less than 7. So N of A is equal to here, how many numbers here? 7. So P of A is equal to N of A by N of S. 7 by 10. 7 by 10, option B. See, 13th sum. Kamalan won to play a lucky draw contest. 135 tickets of the lucky draw were sold. If the probability of Kamalan winning is 1 by 9, then the number of tickets bought by Kamalan is. See here, the contest, the number of tickets is 135. So let me take the number of tickets N of S as 135. Kamalan, the probability of Kamalan winning is 1 by 9. So Kamalan bought some number of tickets. That's not given. So the possibility of Kamalan winning that game is 1 by 9. So you have to find how many tickets bought by Kamalan. So what is P of A? N of A by N of S. This is equal to 1 by 9. So N of A only I have to find. N of S is 135 is equal to 1 by 9. So N of A is equal to, you do this cross multiplication, 135 divided by 9. So 1 9s are 9, carry over 4, 5 9s are 45. So N of A, number of tickets bought by Kamalan is 15 tickets. Option C. Option C. Then 14th sum. A letter is chosen at random from the English alphabets A to Z. Then the probability that the letters chosen precedes X. See here, English alphabets has 26 letters. From the 26 letters, we are choosing the letter preceding X. So where this X occurs, after X, X, Y, Z. So remaining letters are preceding. After 26 letters, 23 letters are preceding this X. So what is the probability of choosing the letter that precedes the letter X? So number of letters here is equal to 23. Therefore, probability P of A is equal to N of A by N of S. So 23 by 26. This is the answer, option C. A purse contains 10 notes of 2000, 50 notes of 500 and 25 notes of 200. One note is drawn at random. What is the probability that the note is either 500 note or 200 note? So how many notes are here? First we have to see that. So totally See, 10 notes of 2000, 15 notes of 500, 25 notes of 200. So therefore n of s is equal to 10 plus 15, 25 plus 25, 50. We have 50 notes. So I am going to choose that. What is the probability that the note is either 500 or 200? So getting 500, let me take the event as A. So n of A is equal to 500. And also or, they given or. So 200, getting 200, let me take the event B. So n of B is equal to, number of notes you have to write, 500 rupees note is 15 notes. 15 notes. So 200 notes is 25. Getting 200 notes possibilities from the 25 will take 200 notebooks. So I have to find either 500 or 200. So either from the event A or from event B. A or B. So P of A plus P of B. See, no common letters here, common elements here. So no need to write minus P of A intersection B. So this is n of A by n of S plus n of B by n of S. So n of A is 15 by 50 plus 25 by 50. 50 is the LCM. So same number, you add this numerator, 40 by 50. 0, 0 cancel, you are having 4 by 5. So option D. So that one more question is over. Thank you.